I'm going to show you today an unorthodox way that for years I've been cleaning the tip of my soldering iron. There are so many versions out there of how you can do this. I'm just going to add more fuel to the fire. It works for me. I'll have other people that will complain that I've lost my mind in doing this. I really don't care because it works for me. If you find something that works for you, do it. It's just what it is. Okay, so there are a couple different kinds of tip cleaners. This one I got online, lead-free. Excuse me. It works really good. It's fine. But this stuff from Radio Shack, so much better. So much better. And as you can see here on this soldering iron tip, over time I get this corrosion from the fumes and from the soldering flux. And I'm actually going to burr this all off. Okay? And I may destroy what people say, you know, the protective coating on this, but I'm going to retin it, and it'll bring everything back. It'll take away all this pitting and give me a nice smooth tip, and it works for me. Okay, I'm going to use a Dremel and a cutting blade that, yeah, you can cut with it, but you can also burr, sand with it. Pretty much the lowest setting, and just go at it. I'd say that's pretty close to what I like. The tip, just a little bit on that, but not much. First thing I'll do before I heat it up is coat it in a little bit of soldering flux. Just to kind of protect the surface from further oxidation until I get it fully heated up. Okay, so what I'm letting it do is drip off into my flux container, letting it roll around on the tip so I can keep it fluxed. Waiting for it to reach that proper temperature that this 60 watt runs at. 40 watt, never mind. You know, it's funny, this 40 watt Radio Shack one seems hotter than the 60 watt that I bought from China, of course. And I think we're about ready. I'm going to use my tip tinning and cleaner to activate my soldering tip, and just go right in there and dig it in. And I'm tipped. Just that simple. Where's my copper? Clean it off. I am good to go once again. Once again. Looks good. I mean, if it works, do it. And that basically took no time at all. No time at all. I mean, you know, I could have actually gone up further on the shaft, but the tip is where you want to concentrate on with the solder and stuff. Of course I could. Little brush. Yeah, that helps. Clean it up. It doesn't provide what I'm wanting here on the tip, but at least it makes it look good. And that's it. Looks pretty good.